Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hari Matala from Prodi Management. Okay, I will presentation of evaluasi pertemuan 1. A is direction. You will hear someone express some expression, listen and expression carefully and then write. On the blank space, A, can I help you? B, may I help you? C, can I borrow your typewriter please? Of course you may. D, you have made appointment. Did you make appointment? E, do you have a identity card? F, see you later. G, don't mention it. Okay, next. 2 is listen carefully the sentence that the speaker says. That write the correct sentence you heard. A, good morning, and the chief office in the building. B, yes, I'm looking for the personal manager. Can you tell where his office is? C, can I see your identity card? D, have you made an appointment? A, has Mr. Heavy arrived yet? 3, you are asked to complete the missing word of the sentence below from the what speaker said. Well, after 30 minutes ago he had, but since then I have been on break and I have only just returned. I'll see will you with very helpful. Thank you. See you.